the maiden voyage on the Bomber Z1 Coil. We got a firm spring in here. The medium felt like a bag of marshmallows. Definitely too soft. Medium, I'd say, if I was to give it a name, I'd say it was a light. The light would be an extra light, so like a 40 kilo rider. Medium would be like a 50 kilo rider, 55. I'm 75. I'm on the firm. It feels kind of soft. I can nearly bottom it out in the car park. So the green spring. Compression, I've just gone probably, so open is at about 10 o'clock on the clock, 10:30. And I want it at about 1:30, I reckon. So for that's just car park setup. We'll see how it feels. I'll drop the noodle and see how we go. I think my rebound's kind of in the ballpark. This is literally my first lap on it, so see how she goes. Whoa. Still a little soft, if I'm honest. Probably could do a little more preload, I think. See how it is through this chatter. Not terrible. Tracking reasonably well. Got a triple. Seems like there's kind of enough to push against. Just maybe a little lackluster on the responsiveness, like could go a little stiffer. Let's go another 2 clicks of preload. We're on 4 clicks of a possible about 15, and it's about, might be wrong with the 15, it's something around there. But overall, it gives about 7 millimeters of spring preload. I'll leave that rebound for now. I think I needed faster rebound, but we'll just see what the preload feels like. Yeah, it's keeping the fork up a little bit more. It's kind of what I wanted. Woo! Scratching the edge there. And again, I think I'm open on the compression. That's what's going on. As well, like the front wheel's a little too free to move around. Let's move that around to about 2 o'clock. Maybe 2:30 on the clock there. Okay, that's holding up a bit better. Yep, for sure. Woo. Okay, so it's mashing through there pretty good. I could probably back off that preload again and let that compression be where it is. Yeah, it's pretty good, absolutely. It's just a little chattery, like a little, not chattery, but a little loud in certain situations, like it goes from smooth to kind of bang, 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 like it's packing a little bit. So I think that's just a little bit of rebound, essentially. Let's just back off, click a compress, click a preload, leave the rebound for now. Yeah, that was fun. Okay, so it's kind of standing upright. Maybe I do want that preload back. Almost feels like I could lose that position pretty easy. Well, not easy, but oh! Woo! Oh no! So I think we're just a little fast on that rebound now. I could do with a little bit more spring preload too. It's a little soft. Oh, maybe a little more compressed, but she's dancing. Not bad. Whew. Not bad.
Did that branch get you?
Nah, I didn't get branched. Whereabouts?
Where you pop out into mainline sort of thing?
Oh, nah. Did you straight line it or go around it? No, I just went around it.
If you straight line it, because that's the second time it's happened to me. Fucking about as thin as your finger.
Alright. First impressions on this Z1. It's quite good. Damping, I've got it at halfway, so like 3 o'clock on that grip. Rebound, I'm not sure yet. Still going back and forth. But this is my 3rd lap, and I'm up to 8 clicks of preload to keep that front end up where I want it to be, and that's on a firm spring. And I'm about 77, 78 dressed to arrive. So we'll drop 4 weeks and we'll see how it feels. Might be a little bit firm off the top now with this 8, but I don't think so. I think it should be good. Boy. Woo! That felt maybe like I was a little bit stiff, just on the choppy bits, but I got plenty to push against on this fork in that setup. It's just a little bit wily still. So maybe I will button off that preload a click back to 7. Those who say preload doesn't make a difference, it absolutely makes a difference. For the positive if you need it, and for the negative if you don't. Yeah, I'm just a little lively under brakes, for sure. Still kind of smooth off the top, but yeah, I just want a little bit more give. Holy Toledo! That's a bit randy. So it's kind of bouncing in and out of its travel a little bit, like it's compared to a Grip 2 setup with an air spring, it's just a little bit too wily out the front. Compression, I couldn't go any stiffer. That's all the compression I want, that's for sure. Can start feel it starting to give me a bit of a wall, like I'm hitting a bit of a wall of compression, and that's at 3 o'clock on that dial. Oh, watch out for the baubles, they'll be slippery. Yeah, plenty to push against in the front. I'm happy with that. Absolutely. It's going to make for a fast fork, I think, once I can get everything under control. Whoa! Too slidey. That's killer. So go back to 7 clicks of preload. Leave the rebound as is. Open that grip damper back up to 2 o'clock. Another lap. Look at that. Healthy amount of yeehaw bar, not a lot left, probably 15 mil left, and that's you know, decent compressions. Firm spring, the medium is definitely, to anyone who's tested this with a medium spring, they're just not giving you any real valid information, in my opinion, because the spring rate's too soft, which kind of goes back onto Marzocchi for under springing things. Like, why would you want, if I was on a medium spring, I'd probably be at like 35% sag, which is garbage. You want 20 at the front, I think. But anyway, on to the next. Oh! All over the shop. That was a bit rowdy.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was pinging a bit. You dancing? Whoa! Oh, watch the rock! Oh! Oh! Damn! Oh! Oh, move that rock. Oh, what the fuck? I can't see a thing. Dude's flying. Oh, a little loose on that one. I reckon I could just soften that preload up a little bit. Maybe. That's just enough to push against. Just trying to find that balance of spring, rebound and compression. Give some here, take some there. Find that balance. And yeah, the rebound, the mid-stroke and the support there, I think I could do with just a little more supple. Definitely enough to push against with that compression on.